What? Chantal?
Hi.
Tony! Chantal, are you okay? Well, meet Franklin, my fiancé.
Hi.
Tony.
Tony. My name is Franklin. Franklin, not Tony.
No, this is Tony. This is Tony. Chantal. Excuse me. Chantal, wait, please. Come back, don't go. Chantal.
What are you doing?
Where is Immaculate? I want to settle my scores with her right now.
What scores do you have to settle with your own blood sister?
Stop it. She is not my sister. And she can never be. Hey! Caesar, you're not my sister. And you can never be my sister. You're a bitch. Go to hell. What? Hey!
She's your sister.
Are you alright?
What kind of a dream is this? Chantal shot her sister, Immaculate.
What do we call this kind of dream? Shoot what? How?
But why would Chantal shoot her blood sister?
Anyway, it's a mere dream. It's night already. Let's go in and sleep. Please.
God, please, protect my family from any impending danger. Please.
Amen.
Amen.
Let's go.
He will come back tomorrow.
Susan, have you seen my mommy? I've been longing to meet her.
Can we go? If you go late to school, your school teacher will punish you. Let's go.
Susanna. Afana. Hi, David. I want Moku talk.
I've warned you. My name is not Susanna. My name is Susan.
What will be the difference between Susan and Susanna? The two things now one now. Abeg, come, Moku talk, abeg. I bring this for you.
As you can see, I'm taking Divine to school. I don't have time for your ear talks.
Leave Divine.
Let's go.
Leave Divine.
Let's go.
Abeg, Moku talk.
Let's go.
I dey talk to you, they go. Susanna!
Oh, immaculate.
Shadrach, what a surprise.
Same here. Where have you been? I searched for you all over.
Same here, I did too. It's been a while. It's been so long.
Yeah, well, long story. Thank God that I found you again. I mean, you're looking so beautiful now.
Thank you. Anyways, I have to rush. I'm about to go pick up my sister from the airport. She landed a couple of minutes ago, so I have to go. Take care.
Oh, no, you can't just leave like that. Please, let me have your contact so I can talk to you on phone. You know, we need to sit down and talk about us for real.
I'm sorry, I can't do that. I'm getting married at the end of the month. There's no us anymore, I'm sorry. But, see you around. Besides, I'm not on my wedding card. I would have invited you. Sorry about that.
Is this a joke or something? It's not even up to a year that we lost contact and you're already coming up with this. Are you for real?
My sister, I really need to go. I'm sorry. Take care.
Immaculate.
Please, I'll be right there.
Good to see you home.
Thank you, Daddy. Thanks, Mom.
Mom, Dad, take a good look at her. She doesn't even look like a student.
Hello?
Imagine. Yeah.
I wouldn't say that. This is so simple. You know what? I am just here for your wedding. After that, I'm off to London.
No, you go nowhere.
Say so.
I'm seizing you. You are not going. What's wrong with this one? You're not going anywhere. You want to finish Dad and Mom's money.
Oh,
You look so beautiful.
Thank you, Mommy. As always.
Yeah.
Mama, look at you two. What do you do to them? They don't look old at all.
My darling, it seems Dad has a secret vampire serum that they both take. They never get old.
Oh my word.
Your mom is doing very, very well.
Oh, have you forgotten that this is the only lady that will be old without growing?
Yeah, they're all ageless. Queen.
You are a kind, ageless queen.
I miss you,
and
Mom.
stainless queen.
I miss you.
Welcome.
Oh my God.
Good to have you.
Same here. I want to run off.
Off tomorrow.
I mean, come here, we have to gossip.
Yeah?
What's that? Come and sit here.
We have a lot to talk.
Mom, is the food not ready?
I guess this is her father's house. Immaculate. I'm not going to let any man take you away from me. I will certainly find out who that person is.
He's not in town. He traveled with his daughter to go see his mom. He'll be back tomorrow.
No, you're kidding me. What do you mean by he traveled out of the town with his daughter? I don't get it.
What don't you get?
Immaculate. Do you want to get married to a married man with a kid? What about his first wife?
Chantal, first off, he's not married. They are divorced. He caught her cheating with his best friend in his matrimonial bed.
He told you so.
Huh?
It's true. I had to make my findings. Trust me, he wasn't lying. He was too good for her. The only thing I know is he loves me and his daughter accepts me. And I love him too.
Okay. I don't want to be judgmental here, but I really want to say this man that you have refused to show me his picture.
Well, in fairness to me, I wouldn't want to show you his picture because you will always judge. If I show you his picture, I wouldn't hear the end of it. Come on, I had to just... Yeah, I have to.
Oh, God.
I know you.
I am not that terrible.
You are judgmental.
I'm not.
Speak of the angel.
The devil. Actually.
Not devil, angel. My angel. Hi, baby. The big head is here. She's seated right next to me. She just poked me. She's poking me here. Oh, how's my baby? She wants to speak. You want to speak with her? Perfect. Let me give the phone to her. He wants to talk to you.
Hello, in-law. I'm good. I'm in the country now. School is fine. How are you? All right, I'm safe. Yeah, sure. Okay, yeah, see, but your voice sounds so familiar. All right, see you.
Baby, hold on. Hope you're still coming tomorrow. Of course. Yes, I'll come with her. Don't worry. My regards to my darling. I love you more. Bye.
You know, his voice.
What happened to his voice?
His voice sounded so familiar, like someone I've met before.
There she goes again. No, not my man, you haven't. Come to think of it, how did the guys in London cope with you?
I am not that terrible.
You are a handful.
I know, I'm a handful, but I am a sweet soul. Yeah, people can tell you that I'm a sweet soul.
Why are you trying to defend yourself?
Because I know who I am.
Oh, please,
Oh,
Chantel.
please, no way.
Talk to those who do not know you.
Whatever.
Your home.
Wow, this place is nice.
I know.
I like his taste.
You can say that again.
I can say that over and over again. You know, this is a good impression. I like him for you.
Thank you. Enough said. Let's go in so I can show you around. Yes.
After you.
Of course, come. My darling, how are you? Good.
Hello, baby. How are you?
This is my sister.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you.
Tell me, my darling, where's your daddy?
He's upstairs in his room.
Okay. You know what? Make yourself comfortable while I go upstairs.
That's fine. I'll go.
Baby, I am here.
You kept me waiting.
I am so sorry. I had to wait for my sister to get ready.
Don't tell me she didn't come with you.
Ah, she's here and she cannot wait to meet you.
Really? Same here. How are you?
Well, I'm fine, but I missed you.
I missed you too. Right.
Let's go. She's waiting.
Oh, let me see. No, I don't know this. Better. Let's go.
Am I dreaming? I am totally confused. Well, I guess I have to wait till I see him.
What? Chantal?
Hi.
Tony!
Tony? Chantal, are you okay? Well, meet Franklin, my fiancé.
Hi.
Tony!
Tony. My name is Franklin. Franklin, not Tony.
No, this is Tony.
This is Tony! Chantal! Excuse me. Chantal, wait, please! Come back, don't go! Chantal! John, do not open that gate! Chantal! Chantal! Please wait! Chantal! Why did you open the gate? Chantal! Chantal!
What's wrong with her?
She refused to talk to me.
Is she okay?
I really don't know. Her countenance changed the minute she saw you. She called you Tony.
I don't know. I'm surprised. My name is Franklin, not Tony. I don't know her. I've never seen her before. I think you should go know what's wrong with her.
Yeah, I'll leave immediately. Baby, tell me the truth. Are you sure you've not met my sister before? Like you don't know her?
How can you ask me such a question? You don't trust me. I don't know her. I've never seen her before. This is my first time seeing her. And right before you, she called me Tony. My name is Franklin. You know that. My name is not Tony. Go know what's wrong with her, okay?
Okay.
Call me when you get home, okay? I love you.
I love you too.
Have you decided what we're going to get for our daughter as her wedding gift?
Wait, let me think. A car will be nice. Porsche car.
A car, just a car.
A car will be nice. Then if you want to add any other thing, fine and good.
Who could be doing this? He's banging like a madman on my gate.
Chantal, where is your sister? You are back. What happened? Why is your face this way? Where is your sister? I'm sure something has not happened.
I thought you said she went out with Immaculate.
Yes.
So how come she come back in this kind of mood?
Honestly, I don't know. They went to see Franklin. Let me find out what the problem is.
You better do.
Chantel! Open the door! Open the door! Chantel, open the door! What is the meaning of this? Open! She locked herself inside and refused to answer me.
Where's Chantel?
She locked herself inside. What happened?
I wouldn't know until I speak with her. I couldn't understand a thing of what she was saying.
Are you sure you people did not have any kind of argument?
Yeah, something like that.
Dad, the thing is, I wouldn't know how to answer that until I speak with her. So please, excuse me.
Honestly, I'm confused here.
It could be they have some misunderstanding that made Chantel to come back to the house.
What misunderstanding are you talking about? It's too early for that. Chantel just came back yesterday and you are talking about misunderstanding.
But you know your daughter Chantel, that she's too hot-tempered. Maybe Immaculate must have said something that triggered her anger. You know, you women all believe in the
Please leave women matter out of this. It might be something serious more than what you are thinking. Let me go and see my children, Vico.
Chantel, come on, open the door. You can talk to me. Tell me what the matter is. I'm your sister. You can tell me anything. Chantel, are you okay in there? Please open the door. Mom, thank God you're here. Chantel has refused to open the door. What's going on with her?
When I knocked before, she still refused. Chantel! Open the door. If you're not going to open this door, I will break this door. I promise you.
Chantel, come on. Are you okay in there? Open! Can you hear me?
Open this door!
Mom, are you sure she's alright?
Is it not if she opens, we will find out?
Mom, I think we should break down the door. What if she's fainted or something? Let's...
How do we?
Chantel, are you fine? You know what, Chantel? I just can't wait for this wedding to come. Like, I want it done quickly. I do not want my pregnancy to show.
What?
Shh, Mom.
Ima, she's pregnant already for him?
Yes, I mean, it wasn't supposed to happen like this, but I don't regret it. Besides, he's my husband.
To be.
Whatever, we're getting married in no time, so what's the problem? What counts is he loves me, I love him. Simple.
Okay. Is this the reason for this glow, like the whole pregnancy and all of that? Aww. You know what?
What?
I support you.
Thank you.
You have my support and my blessings. As much as you're happy.
I am super happy.
And he loves you.
And I love him too.
So, in due time, in less than 6-9 months, you're gonna be mother. And I will be the hottest aunt, like the hottest aunt of the century.
Yes, from your lips
Aunt Gege
to God's ears.
Amen.
Amen.
You proposed to me. The next thing you did was to disappear into the thin air.
2 months later, I found out that I was pregnant for you. I couldn't keep it because of what people and my family would say. What did you do, Tony? You ran to Nigeria, proposed to my sister. And now, she's pregnant for you. Really? Now you want to marry my sister? No way. Never. You will marry me. You must marry me. You will marry me. And not my sister.
Her trouble started the moment she laid her eyes on Franklin. She called him Tony. The next thing I knew was her picking up her bag and dashing out of the house.
She called Franklin Tony.
Have they met before?
How is that even possible? Dad, Mom, we all know Chantel has been out of this country for 5 years. She's been in London, where she's been studying. And this is the first time she's coming back. I, on the other hand, met Franklin last year. And trust me, Dad, when I say that, Franklin has never been to London. He only does his business in China.
So how did she come about the name Tony?
This is her.
What? What?
Jesus Christ. Franklin.
How did you come about this?
Chantel, I do not know what you are up to, but you and I know that this is purely an arrangement.
An arrangement, you said? Hey, baby, listen to me before you get me all wrong. Tony and I are engaged. We promised each other marriage before his sudden disappearance.
FYI, the man you're calling Tony isn't Tony, but Franklin. My Franklin. And trust me when I say that Franklin has never set his foot in London. Chantal, I do not understand all this nonsense you're trying to bring up to disrupt my wedding, but trust me when I say it will not work.
Can both of you just calm down? Let me really understand what is going on.
Daddy, nothing else is going on. Tony, Franklin, or whatever he's called, ditched me the moment I needed him most. All of a sudden, he came down to Nigeria and engaged my sister.
Mom, Dad, I do not know what Chantel is trying to do here, but I will not have Chantel disrupt my wedding. It won't work.
Oh, really? Excellent. Then watch me do it. Because I will not be alive and watch you get married to the same man who got me pregnant, proposed to me, and disappeared.
What?
No way.
I'm ready to die. You're not pregnant.
Did you say you are pregnant?
Mom, she's lying. She's not pregnant.
This world. Can you tell me why you are fighting? You get one mother fighting. Wow, fighting. Can you tell me the reason why you fight?
Chantal, I am talking to you. Didn't you hear me call you? What exactly do you stand to gain by disrupting my wedding with Franklin? What are you up to?
What do I gain by doing so?
That's exactly what I want to know. What would you gain by disrupting my wedding with Franklin?
Listen, Immaculate. Franklin or Tony can never be your husband. Get that?
You know what? You can take all your lies and shove it down your throat. I do not care. You will not stop my wedding with Franklin, whether you like it or not.
Can you shut up and stop talking? Now listen to me. I will not let the same man who almost messed up my life get married to you. Not to you, not to any other woman.
Chantel, I'll say this just once. You are treading on a dangerous path. You better have a rethink before you mess up your miserable life yourself.
Tony, I will not let you marry my sister. You must marry me or no other woman. And that's on period.
This world. Can you tell me why you are fighting? You get one murderer. Fighting. Wow, fighting. Can you tell me the reason why you wanna fight? You wanna fight?
Dad, are you alright?
Yes, my darling, I am fine.
Dad, where is Auntie Immaculate? Where did she go to?
She went out. She went to handle something, but she'll soon be back.
Okay, Dad.
Don't worry, go to your room. I'll be with you shortly, okay? How did you get this?
Your ex-lover. Yes, she presented it as evidence to show that you both really dated in the past.
What is wrong with you? What do you mean ex-lover? I don't know her. How can I be in a picture with somebody I don't know?
That's the explanation you need to give me. How come you're in a picture with my sister you claim you do not know?
Christ. My love, don't tell me you believe her. First of all, right before you, she called me Tony. My name is Franklin. You know that. My name is not Tony. Secondly, you said she studied in London. I've never been to London before. So what's going on? She needs to explain.
Franklin, do not try to confuse me. My sister could not have forged those pictures.
Why don't you believe me? It's obvious your sister has an ulterior motive. She needs to explain why she's doing this. Oh, believe me, I don't know her. I've never met her before until today.
Confused. I don't even know who to believe at the moment.
You need to believe me, my love. It's me. It's Franklin. Your fiancé, it's me. As for your sister, she has to explain how she got these and why.
My daughter, the reason I'm here this night is for us to have a one-on-one talk. And I want you to tell me the truth. Nothing but the truth. I want you to tell me all that transpired between you and Franklin.
Mom, please. Stop calling him Franklin. His name is Tony. I have told you absolutely everything. I've told you the truth. He got me pregnant and disappeared. I had no other option than to terminate it. Although not like I'm proud of it, but he hurt me. Mom, look at it. Here he is today, planning to marry my sister. I won't let that work.
Really? Makachi, they don't born you with to sign off your marriage family. How dare you come out of nowhere to interrupt my wedding? Are you mad?
Immaculate, I am totally disappointed in you. After all the evidence I've shown to you, you still want to go ahead and marry him? You do not want to use your senses? Are you just foolish? Oh yes.
Immaculate. Foolish. For real? Stupid!
What is the meaning of this?
Mother will not ever call me names! For what? How dare she insult me?
Chris. No, you feel saying because I'm from London, Lagos to London. I go down was they mad. What is wrong with this? Don't you ever try this madness again. Stupid thing.
Mother.
Why would you raise your hand against your sister?
Why not? Didn't you hear her insult me? I believe you're seated right here. Listen, I don't care whatever nonsense you have going on in that little woozy brain of yours. But you see, my wedding to Franklin, it will hold. Newsflash. Okay. You or no one else can disrupt my wedding. So, I would advise you, darling sister, take the next available flight back to London and stay where you belong. Hey, Mother, talk to her. I won't do this with her.
You are just blabbing. You see that wedding? It's not going to hold. Just get it into your head. Stupid thing.
Shut up.
Oh, Mom, please. Don't touch me, please.
Calm down.
Calm down for what? Calm down for what exactly, Mom? Didn't you hear her? Didn't you see the madness she just displayed? She hit me because of a man. Hagi, she's your daughter, right? And you love her so much. Just advise her because she has beaten more than she can chew. I'll pay back.
I want to remind you in case you forgot them that both of you are sisters.
Oh, to hell with that. She is not going to marry Tony, and that's final. There's nothing anybody can do about it. Not even you, Dad, or the so-called Tony. It's me or no one else.
Chantel.
Mom.
Everything will be sorted out amicably.
Whatever.
Trust me.
Battle for love. Give me my love. I must fight. Battle for love. Battle for love. I must fight. Give me my love. I know God believe that my love. Live up for me. I know God believe that my love. I must carry on. I know God believe that my love. Live up for me. I know God believe that my love. I must carry on. Battle for love. Battle for love. Give me my love.
Guy.
Frankie.
Okay. Man, guy. Look at you. Set track. Okay. Good to see you, bro.
Good to see you too,
Hey,
man.
long time. Where you go hide now, this man?
Man, I traveled out of the country after the last business we did together. So
for real?
I came in about 2 weeks ago.
No wonder. I don't wonder. Like, if you did that, you go call me.
Yes, nah.
Look at you.
Man, you're looking good.
Would they try? You too.
Fresh guy.
How far now? What are you doing on the road? You shoot with your car?
Yeah, my small car.
Okay.
I don't know what happened. It just stopped.
Okay. Have you called the mechanic?
I don't know who to call.
No, bother yourself now. Small matter. Let me call somebody for you.
Frankie, my man.
Don't worry. My mechanic stays somewhere not too far from here.
Okay.
I'll tell you this. Don't worry. Bother yourself. My man. Good to see you, bro.
Good to see you too, my bro.
Yeah. Hello, Charles. Hello? Charles? Yeah, how you doing now? No wala. Are you in your workshop? Okay, fine. I need you right now. My friend's car just broke down somewhere close to Ikem Square. Yeah, that road to Ikem Square. Once you enter the road, you see us on the road. Well, come quickly now. Come find out what's wrong with the car and fix it. I trust you. Hurry. I'll wait.
Okay, so he's coming right away.
The guy, they come now.
Look, I bump for your car now. My guy, I'm so proud of you. Congratulations. In fact, if you haven't gotten a best man, please do make me one.
Bro. Come on. Wala deal.
What is that?
I've been looking for who to complain to. Thank God I met you.
What's happening?
Chantal.
Hi.
Tony. Tony. Chantal, are you okay? Well, meet Franklin, my fiancé.
Hi.
Tony.
Tony. My name is Franklin. Franklin, not Tony.
No, this is Tony. This is Tony.
Chantal. Excuse me. Chantal, wait, please. Come, wait, come back, don't go. Chantal. John, do not open that gate. Chantal! Chantal, please wait. Chantal, why did you open the gate? Chantal! Chantal!
Dad, are you alright?
Yes, my darling, I am fine.
Dad, where is Auntie Immaculate? Where did she go to?
She went out. She went to handle something, but she'll soon be back.
Okay, Dad.
Don't worry, go to your room. I'll be with you shortly, okay?
Ex-lover. Yes, she presented it as evidence to show that you both really dated in the past.
What is wrong with you? What do you mean ex-lover? I don't know her. How can I be in a picture with somebody I don't know?
That's the explanation you need to give me. How come you're in a picture with my sister you claim you do not know?
Christ. My love, don't tell me you believe her. First of all, right before you, she called me Tony. My name is Franklin. You know that. My name is not Tony. Secondly, you said she studied in London. I've never been to London before. So what's going on? She needs to explain.
Franklin, do not try to confuse me. My sister could not have forged those pictures.
Why don't you believe me? It's obvious your sister has an ulterior motive. She needs to explain why she's doing this. Well, believe me, I don't know her. I've never met her before until today.
Confused. I don't even know who to believe at the moment.
You need to believe me, my love. It's me. It's Franklin. Your fiancé, it's me. As for your sister, she has to explain how she got these and why. My girl doesn't believe me. Nobody believes me. I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
This girl in question, is your fiancé sister, the one that studies in London?
Yes, same one. She came back for our wedding.
So, how did she get the picture she brought to your fiancé?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Have you tried to confront her to know how she got those pictures?
I've not done that, but truth is, I hate this woman. She disgusts me. I don't want to see her. I mean, how can I go about trying to speak with somebody who's trying to spoil my wedding?
Look, Frank, I understand you, but if I were you, I would advise you to meet one-on-one with this lady in a private place. I mean, have a conversation with her. I bet you might have one or two to learn from her.
Conversation, and discuss what? What are we going to discuss? Isn't it obvious this lady wants to spoil my wedding? Coming up with pictures, things that she made up. So what am I going to be discussing with her?
Just do as I said first, okay, and see how it goes.
What are you saying? A business of 50.8 million, sealed, delivered, and up till now you've not sent me my percentage. What's wrong with you? My friend, stop telling me such nonsense. Send my money right now before you see the beast in me. Send me my money.
Auntie, I like Auntie Immaculate and I like you too.
Aww, thank you. But I like you more.
Thank you, Auntie. Can you tell me a story?
I should tell a story?
Yes.
Are you sure you want to listen?
Yes.
Okay. Story.
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 Are you sure you want to hear this?
You good?
Yes. Dad, Auntie Shatta is a good person.
Really?
Yes.
Go upstairs, darling. Okay? I'll be with you shortly.
Okay.
Hi, baby.
Hurry up, darling. What are you doing in my house?
I am here to see you, Tony.
My name is not Tony. My name is Franklin.
Whatever. I am here to sort out things with you, Tony. You see, the earlier you quit this game, the better for all of us, Tony.
You are the one who's playing a game, not me. How did you get that picture you're showing everybody?
I see. Interesting. I am glad you've seen it. The picture is everywhere. Why not come open? Show my sister who you really are and stop deceiving her.
Listen, if you don't tell me why you're doing this and how you got that picture, I'll have no other option than to get you arrested.
Perfect. Because I am not scared. I am sure the police will be interested to hear my story. Our story. You proposed to me, you got me pregnant, and you disappeared. How could you? You almost died in the process of aborting the pregnancy. Here you are, claiming to be someone else. You are wicked.
I don't know who you are. My name is Franklin, not Tony. Tell whoever sent you that you did not see me. If your plan is to stop my wedding to Immaculate, it will never happen. We will get married and you cannot stop
it. No, I will not have you do this to me.
Get out of my house now.
Okay. This wedding will not hold. Watch how I am going to do it. Never.
What kind of problem is this now? What kind of problem is this? Who is this person? I've not seen you before.
I think I'm wasting my time on my matter with Immaculate. I have to make a move immediately. She is the love of my life and I must possess what is mine.
Hi baby, how you doing, my love?
Babe, why is your face like this? What is it, my darling?
Rita, what are you doing here? You didn't tell me you were coming.
You just called me by my name. Wait, do I need to inform you first before coming to your house?
I don't know how to put it not to sound stupid or embarrassing. But please, I need you to go now. I have a problem that I need to sort out. I will send for you when everything is fine. For now, you need to leave, please.
Shadrach, are you throwing me out of your house? Wait. Is there a woman in this house? Are you keeping a lady in this house?
Can you please
I am
leave?
going to wait for you in your room to sort out whatever you want to sort. What's that?
Please, Rita, do not make me repeat myself again. Like I said earlier, there's something that I'm trying to sort out. I'll send for you when I'm done. For now, I need you to please leave. I do not want anybody around me now.
Okay, fine, no problem. I will leave because I don't want to take your insults. I will leave. Bye.
Better.
Wait. Did you not say better? Shadrach, you know what? I am not leaving this house. I am going to be waiting for you in the room. So you better sort out whatever you are sorting. I am going in! Really? Better? Oh, wow! I am waiting for you, baby. Okay?
Can you just imagine? In my own house, quoi? Well, she will be shocked by the time I break the latest news to her.
I believe I can find something from her. Let me rush before she returns.
Chantal! I thought I had someone at the bedroom. Chantal!
God, where is he? Wait, is he dodging me? No, you can't be dodging me, my love. Baby! I don't understand. What is all this? This guy is not even outside. Where did he drive to? Let it not be what I am thinking. Shadrach, you left me all alone in this house. Hey, oh my goodness. I said it. I said it that Shedrack is expecting another woman. That is why he left me here in this house. Probably he has gone to meet her somewhere else. Eh? Shedrack, you will go and come back and meet me here. No problem. Can you imagine?
What? Oh my God. No. Could it be that Chantel was telling the truth all this while? No way. No. Oh no. Yeah, who is it? Who is it?
Immaculate.
Mom!
A young man is here to see you.
Who is he?
You can come and see for yourself. He's downstairs.
Okay, Mom, I'll be right there. A young man coming to see me.
He's not picking my calls. He's not picking my calls. That is a clear evidence that he's with another woman. He's not picking my calls. You better pick up my calls, Shedrack. If not, your phone is going to run down. I will make sure I run your phone down today. What nonsense? He's not picking my calls. Aya. He's still not picking my calls. Okay, I will run your battery down. Don't even know who you're dealing with. He's still not picking my calls. Hey, God. Shedrack. Okay, I will continue to call you.
Every day, someone is dying inside slowly. Watch it.
Hi.
I'm Shedrack by name. Immaculate fiancé, I'm here to see her.
Okay. I am Chantel, Immaculate, younger sister.
My pleasure. Nice meeting you.
Thank you, Shedrack. Did you say you are her husband to be?
Yes, I am.
Shedrack. Okay.
Hi.
What are you doing here and how did you locate my father's house?
Surprise, surprise. That's an evidence of love.
Well, Shedrack, you are not welcome here. If you must see me not in my father's house, I now belong to someone else. Whatever we had, it's in the past now. It does not exist.
Come on, Immaculate. You can't tell me that. I still love you very much and you know it.
Well, I don't. Take your love someplace else. And please, do not ever in your life step your foot in this place ever again. Okay?
Why are you doing this to me? Tell me, why are you doing this? take a good look at me. Am I not man enough? Or is it about wealth and riches? Of course you know that I am not that poor that I cannot take care of you and that of our born children. So why are you doing this?
I need you to leave. I wouldn't want my father to come and meet you here. So please, leave.
Wait a minute. This is becoming interesting. So Immaculate is keeping another man. I am sure Tony or Franklin, whatever, I'm sure he's not aware of that guy in my father's living room claiming to be a husband to me. Amazing. Wow.
Immaculate, remember our past. You promised never to leave me for another man. Why are you trying to break my heart now? I'm still the Shadrach that you knew those years.
Shadrach, I have moved on. I expect you do the same. It's not my fault that we lost contact. Please, leave me alone and stay the hell out of my life, okay?
Either is it my fault that we lost contact. It's not my fault and you know it.
Please leave.
No way. I will not let my sister take my man away from me. I love you, Tony, and I will get you.
John. I'm expecting my mother. She's on her way, she's coming. Suzanne went to pick my daughter from school. If my mother gets here before Suzanne, give her this.
Okay, sir.
My house key. Apart from my mother and Suzanne, don't open this gate for anybody.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Open the gate.
Yes. We can actually continue from where we stopped. Now that I met you again, to part no more.
Hello?
Are you aware that your girlfriend is keeping another man who introduces himself as a husband to me?
Who's this?
Tony, Franklin, this is Chantel.
See, do not call my line again. Can you hear me? Don't call me again. Idiot.
It's dying inside every day. Someone is dying inside slowly. Watching my love life drain away. Watching my love life drain away. And we go extra mile. Go extra mile for my love. I must do anything. Do anything for my love. And we go extra mile. Go extra mile.
Where are you here? What have you come to do here? You are the reason my daughter is in this condition? The reason both of my daughters are fighting each other?
Madam, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, just calm down and understand. Your daughter Chantel has mistaken me for someone else.
Oh my God! What kind of a man are you? You are still lying after everything. Chantel showed us the picture both of you took in London. What are you saying?
See, that's the thing. I've never been to London all my life. I do business in China and Dubai. I have never been to London. I'm not the Tony she's talking about.
What do you mean by that?
Baby. My love. Baby.
Thank God.
Baby.
Thank God, my daughter, you've opened your eyes.
Baby.
Where am I? Baby.
Yeah. Okay, easy.
What am I doing here?
Just relax. Calm down. Let me call the nurses.